Dealing with smstrial negligence in personal injury claims in Atlanta. Personal injury law enables individuals harmed by another party's actions to seek maximum compensation for their injuries, aiding in their recovery and restoration. Personal injury law enables individuals harmed by another party's actions to seek maximum compensation for their injuries, aiding in their recovery and restoration. While distinct from negligence, most personal injury claims stem from negligence. Thus, if you've been injured due to someone else's negligence, consulting a personal injury attorney to explore your case specifics and legal avenues can be beneficial. Here let us understand personal injury and the role of negligence therein. What's meant by personal injury? Injuries to an individual's body, emotions, or reputation are distinct from harm to property rights. Negligence is understood as a lack of care equivalent to what a reasonably prudent person would have exercised under similar circumstances. Role of negligence in personal injury claims. When initiating a claim with an insurance company or pursuing a lawsuit against the responsible party, the burden of proving negligence falls upon you. Moreover, tort law specifies the criteria for establishing negligence. 1. The obligation of care owed to the injured party must be demonstrated. It's essential to establish that the individual mentioned in your claim had a duty of care towards you at the time of the incident. For instance, if your injury resulted from a car accident, the other driver is obligated to act reasonably, ensuring the safety of all road users by adhering to traffic regulations. 2. Breach of duty of care must be established. It's necessary to demonstrate that the defendant failed to uphold their obligation to maintain reasonably safe conditions. For instance, in the context of a car accident, breaching this duty could involve actions such as speeding, running a red light, or driving recklessly. In cases like these, Atlanta personal injury law firm can help you establish the breach of duty, which is a significant step under personal injury cases. 3. Direct cause. Subsequently, you need to provide evidence that directly connects the other party's breach of duty of care to the accident. For instance, if the other driver was speeding through a stop sign and collided with your vehicle at an intersection, this constitutes a direct correlation. 4. Damage. Lastly, you must establish that your injuries and subsequent losses directly resulted from the accident. For instance, seeking medical attention promptly after the incident, supported by medical records, demonstrates the injuries sustained. Medical expenses serve as one example of the resulting damages. Personal injury encompasses harm to an individual's body, emotions, or reputation, with negligence playing a central role in establishing liability. Thus, navigating personal injury claims requires thorough evidence and legal expertise to secure just compensation for victims of negligence-induced injuries.